What's up, guys? Sue Tech here, and it's about 5 p.m. exactly on the dot. And I wanted to share Etoro with you guys today. Etoro is a copy. It's basically a copy trader, where in a social media, like a social copy trading website, where you can actually shadow people's trades, whether it's a fund or whether it's an individual. And they're in the stock market. I mean, this is where they started: commodities, ETFs, stocks, etc., etc. But they have a crypto section where you can shadow crypto traders, and basically all you have to do is put the money in. I mean, it's really that simple. So you have this guy, Russian guy here, and his 12 months is an 82% profit. So all you do is go here, click, copy, and then you can just invest whatever you want. All the way up to 20,000. Once you get verified, you can invest more. But invest 20,000, and then you can actually set a stop sell limit. Okay? So basically, if you don't want to lose any more, stop loss. It says stop limit, right? Stop loss. You can set it $1,000 under the amount that you invested. So if value drops below 95%, it'll sell off. That's excellent. So there's security measures in here, so you can set it or forget it. Also, there are funds, and right here there's a crypto fund. All right, the return over the last 12 months, 193%. So this one costs a little bit more. You need 5,000 to get into this one, and this also goes to 20,000. So essentially, if you verify, you just have to verify. You have to upload your driver's license, the front and back, and you can invest more, and you can spread your money around. So if you just throw in like 50K into this crypto fund, and then you throw another 20K into an individual, you're talking about over 100% in a year. So if you, just for example, if you have 50K and you put that into the cryptocurrency crypto fund, you're talking about making $100,000 in 1 year off of 50,000 just by letting it sit there. So this might make more sense for some people who have very, very large sums of money. If you're just starting out and you don't have a lot of money, obviously something that starts to generate money like USI Tech, BitConnect is better. But if you already have the money, then one of these is excellent. And they also have stocks, like I said, commodities, and other things. They have also mixed funds. So some have stocks, some have crypto also. But this is a really awesome website. You also trade here. Alright. Very similar to that of a Forex market, where you, and watch the pips go up and down. Very similar. One click buy and sell. Very similar to that. And you can just watch things. There you go, click buy. Set the rate. You want to buy it at a certain price. Put in the limit order. And then it also, take profit at a specific price if you want. So this is a really awesome website. This is very good for people who are not that savvy at trading, and you can just shadow somebody else without having to do the technical analysis and all of those skills that take a while to learn. If you want to just profit off the skills of others because you have money, not because you have money, but if you have money and you want to take advantage of other people's skills, you just shadow somebody. So I have nothing in here yet. I haven't even gotten started. But this looks like something to definitely invest in, especially if you're starting out with a big lump sum. And if you just accumulate $1,000, you can shadow, just shadow an individual and just profit like that. Now, the big dilemma with a lot of people is, do you invest in Bitcoin and just hold, or do you invest in investment companies like USA Tech or mining or something along those lines? And what I tell people is that there's no guarantee that the price of Bitcoin will continue up in perpetuity. All right? There's no guarantees that will happen. There'll be times where there'll be sell-offs, there'll be resistance. And so 190% in 1 year might be just holding cryptocurrency. It might not. It's really up to you. I mean, you can actually just split test it yourself and put in $1,000 into Bitcoin and then $1,000 into one of these portfolios and just kind of watch and see what it does over the course of a year. And that will bring you to a conclusion. But see, things like this are great. There's an ICO that I was just promoting, Algory, that does this. But this is already out and fully operational. So obviously I would use this first, but sometimes the first implementation of something is not the best one. Really, oftentimes it's not the best one. So I'm going to watch this, probably invest into it. I recommend people, if you have a lot of money that you just want to invest and not worry about it, set a reasonable stop loss, invest, and just, check on it every few days and watch it go up. For people who want to be more active, it has the trade markets where you can trade everything. All right. See, crypto. All right, major pairs. Okay, not everything, but a lot, and you can trade those right here. So, guys, check out Etoro. I'm putting the link in the description box. I recommend, if you have a lot of money and you don't want to be bothered with trading, you don't want to be bothered with worrying about whether the company is going to disappear, I definitely recommend this, and check it out for sure. Anyway, guys, click like on the content. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. I'm quickly approaching 1,000 subs. So when we approach or hit 1,000 subs, I'll make a video and I'll run a contest, $1,000, not $1,000, but $100 or so, Bitcoin, maybe 50 in Ethereum, some Litecoin, and it'll be 1,000 sub giveaway. And that will happen as soon as I get up to 1,000 subs. So look out for that very soon. But anyway, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Actually, I'm going to make another video, my daily rundown. So that's coming up.